This video is sponsored by Replica Studios. In today's video, I'm going to be uploading my consciousness into that Teslabot. I always wanted to create a second version of myself. And now, thanks to Neuralink and Teslabot, that's possible.
Please connect the helmet.
I'm going to be uploading my brain to the cloud and let it sync with this Teslabot.
Starting synchronization process. Downloading consciousness. Stage 1. Stage 2. Finalizing stage 3. Starting transfer process. Uploading consciousness.
Mind map complete. Teslabot ready for boot up. Body functionality 92% complete. Hand functionality cancelled.
Oh no! I can't move my hands, but I can move my arms. And my legs. That's what you get with prototypes, I guess. In this video, we're going to use motion capture suits from Rokoko to add the animation to our Teslabot, and we are going to use Replica Studios for any
voices that are AI generated.
Which is super cool. I will talk about this later in the video. Rokoko has sent us this amazing motion capture suit, and I was so stoked to try it out. So what better way to place ourselves in a Teslabot using the motion capture suit from Rokoko? The amazing thing about their brand is that it is so easy to use, and compared to other motion capture suits, it's really affordable. And this should allow us to capture our movements and put it onto a 3D character. So let's try it out. All right, let's do this. What do you think? So this is the Rokoko Smart Suit Pro, and it looks super sleek, super clean design, and you don't see any cables whatsoever, but it's actually wired completely to capture your motion. And this entire suit is powered with a power bank. So you can use it wirelessly on the go or in your studio. You can literally be in the forest and capture your motion there. Alright, so every time a new person operates the suit, you want to create a new actor profile with its actual dimensions. So right here, I can fill in my name. I can give myself a color, so I'm going for green, and I will go for a body type, which is male, and I am going to fill in my height, and then I'm going to save my body profile. And if you're going to this arrow, you can even customize everything in detail. So I already created my Teslabot project, so I'm going to open that up. And then at the bottom here, we can add an object. So this is going to be our actor. So I'm going to hit the plus and add myself to the scene. So I have this unpaired input now. So I need to just drag this on top of my actor. Boom, I'm here. Just a little bit messed up right now. So I'm going to perform a calibration. I'm going to stand in this pose. And it works. Wow! How awesome is that? In just a few minutes, well, we took a little bit longer because we had to figure things out, but literally once you figure this out, in a few minutes, you turn on the suit, you're connected to the software, and you can do literally everything. This thing is incredible, look at that. If you are interested in the Rokoko suit, I would highly encourage you to go and check out a review from Locher Films. I checked that one out, and it literally gives you the entire overview. He had a lot of experience with the suit. If you want to know more, I'll link that video down below. So first we need to capture our shots. Here I recorded a bunch of empty shots where the Teslabot will actually be set in. Then we bought this Teslabot on CG Trader. You don't have to reinvent the fire. A few seconds later, it was mine to use. Now is the most crucial moment of this video. You have to scroll down and hit the like button.
Maybe subscribe.
Maybe subscribe as well.
Maybe hit the bell.
Maybe hit the bell. Here I'm going to import my Teslabot and optimize it for my scene. Then I'm just going to link my animation from the Rokoko to the Teslabot, and now I have a Teslabot animation. All that I have to do now is just place my Teslabot in my scene and make the animation make sense. Now for the fun part is to make the Teslabot come to life. So you want to make it talk, and to make it talk you can either record yourself
And apply a profile filter on it.
or you need to hire a voiceover. But there is another option nowadays that really blew my mind. Replica Studios. Look at how awesome this is. They have so much choice, most of them even have different moods and other options to perfectly fit your needs. In Replica Studios, I go to Projects, and here I can create a new project. Here I can choose my character. Opening up my scene, I can select a character that is going to type some dialogue. And then with some simple hotkeys, you can add new lines and just fill in the blanks. And then here you can choose the style of the voice. So for example, if I would have Gray, he has multiple styles, and I can choose if he would be angry, happy, or scared. And the AI is going to change his voice based on that, and it's going to sound like he is in a different type of mood.
Sue, you're trying to get me angry. You should think twice about that.
So that's really cool that you can do that just with AI, and you don't need to hire a voice actor to do this sort of stuff. You can all do this in the software pretty easily.
Please connect for Helmut. Initializing. Transfer complete. Teslabot ready for boot up.
In your project, you can also go to Direct and really change the volume, the speech rate, anything that you want to modify for the voice, you can do that in here in the editor. And then after this, you can download whatever take you want or download them all together right here and bring them in your editing software, or directly link them with Unreal Engine or Unity if you're doing this for games. So if you want to start using Replica Studios, you can get 1 hour of free speech generation credit using the coupon code Ignace60. Link is in the description below. Now let's see our final result.
Mind map complete. Teslabot ready for boot up. Body functionality 92% complete. Hand functionality cancelled.
Oh no, I can't move my hands, but I can move my arms. And my legs. That's what you get with prototypes, I guess. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a like. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and definitely hit the notification bell to stay notified when I upload new videos. What do you think will happen to the world once the Teslabot gets released? Let me know in the comments below. Apart from that, I'm gonna leave you with another video. You can find that right here. Until next time, create epic videos.